Pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayong mangangarap ng nakaraan natin. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. Kahit maputi o wala na ang buhok ko.
Did you know how much you meant to me? Oh no. Did you know I still carry the memories? Oh no. Did you know that for me letting go wasn't easy? Oh no. No, you don't. Do you still listen to our lullaby? Oh no. Does it help you get to sleep at night? Oh no. Are you singing along by the pale moonlight? Oh no. No, you don't. I just need a bit more time to get you off my mind tonight. I'm thinking of your bright blue eyes, brighter than the stars that lit the skies. An angel in disguise. I just need a bit more time. I wanna hold you in my arms tonight. I can't forget those bright blue eyes. Can't forget the